Hello, my name is Lester James Bulenses from Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, and my hobbies are playing basketball, also riding a bike. And I am married, I am 24 years old, and college undergraduate. I have a diploma of high school, senior high, and I work in landscaping for about 5 years from now. My experience in landscaping is installation, and involves planting trees, shrubs, flowers, and grass, as well as installing hardscape elements like pathways, retaining walls, and outdoor structures. I also have experience in maintenance. We have a regular maintenance sa key of our work as a landscaper, such as mowing lawns, trimming hedges, weeding, and applying fertilizer or pesticides in the plants. And also, I have experience in lawn mower, crucial tool or maintaining lawns, whether it's a push mower or a riding mower. Also have experience in hedge trimmer. I used to trim, shape hedges, shrubs, and also bushes. And I do have experience also in chainsaw, cutting and pruning trees, or mulching trees. And also I have an experience in blower, leaf blower. I used to clear leaves and debris from lawns, driveways, and other outdoor spaces. And also a mulching tools, a variety of tools that help us spread mulch around the plants and trees and garden to conserve moisture and prevent weeds. So that is my experience in landscaper. I do landscape gardening, landscape maintenance, and that's all. Thank you.